Hi, hello, and welcome. It's me Vignesh here, and this is your favorite V and Data channel. Today, we'll be seeing what is multi-class classification, how to perform it using Python and scikit-learn. For that, let's pass on to a video. In last video, we saw binary classification model. In today's video, we'll be seeing how to create a model for multi-class classification using logistic regression with the help of scikit-learn. We'll have a recap on it. In the binary classification, right, there'll be many x values and then will be one y value. In y value it will be 1 or 0, 1 0 1 0, or yes or no. Last time we saw a cancer data set for the malignant or benign. We'll classify yes or no. There will be only two values, so it can be in one value. The output can be one value. Okay. In the next data set, right, if there are in y value there are many values like 1. Without yes or no, there can be many values like 1, 2, 3, 4. If these four values are repeating in the whole data set, right, there are four outcomes. These four outcomes can be classified. So, if there is many classifications, more than one or two, it's called multi-class classification. There are four values. So, it is called multi-class classification. This is a data set example for multi-class classification. Like label, right? Label is the y value which you want to predict, and pixel 0 or x. Okay, x values. I'll give you the data set for this in the link. You can use it as well. It is from pixel 0 to pixel 783. These are the x values, and label is the y value. Pixel 0 till pixel 783, it's x values, and label is the y value. In label, right, there are 1 0 4 7 3 5 and so on. So there are many y values, many predictions. So there will be constant 10 numbers which is going to repeat on the whole for the y value. So this is called multi-class classification. This is the dataset which you're going to use. Today we see the code, how to code it. I had already made a snippet on it. These are the packages which are necessary. Pandas, display max column, none. So we'll be able to produce all the columns. There are 700 to 800 columns. Okay, around 800 columns are there. So in order to print all the columns, display at max columns, none, so that we can see all the columns. Okay, sklearn linear model, we are using logistic regression. sklearn metrics, we are importing accuracy score. sklearn model selection, import train test split, which is we are going to use for data splitting into training and testing data. Okay, next we are getting the value or the file, the data, into a, this is a train MVC. We are going to load it into a variable. Okay, using the pandas p.read.csv into train. We are printing top head alone, train.head, so that 5 rows will be printed, and we are getting the information of the data frame. These are the value arrays. We are going to split train. We're going to split into x and y. We are leaving the first one column because the first column is the label. We are leaving it, and we are converting, okay, to x. Y label is a label. Okay, right? Train dot label dot value. So that is the y value which is going to predict. That we are suppressing to the y alone. We are shaping x and seeing what is the structure of it. X train, x test, y train, y test, train test split. We are getting the splitting the data into the x train, x test, y train, y test, and the split is 0.3. Okay, that means 30% is for the test size and 70% the training set. Model is solver LBFGS, random state is 0, maximum iteration 1000. Random state 0, solver is LBFGS. Okay, this is the model, logistic regression model. Logistic fit, model not fit, X train, Y train. We are fitting the model for the training. Okay, then printing the Y test, then predicting the Y test with the help of X test. Okay, prediction with the help of X test. Then this is the classification report. Y test is the original testing data which we gathered, and the predictions are the with the help of X what we have predicted. When we are checking the accuracy, right? Y test and the prediction. This is a code snippet. General multi-class classification. This is a code snippet using logistic regression. Now we're going to run it and see now. Okay. Right click, run ml mlog or running it. It started to run now. We are printing the head alone. Top 5 rows are printed. Since we have introduced set option displayed at max columns none, so all the columns are printed as you can see, right? Picks from pixel 0 to label pixel 0, pixel 1 till pixel 783. As you can see, all the rows, all the columns are printed. It's pixel 783. That's the last column of the data set. So till that it's printed. There are indexing is right. It's 4,200 entries starting from 42,000 entries starting from 0 to 41,999. Columns is this is the rows. Total number of rows is that much. 785 or the total number of columns, right? Then it is all integer values. Memory is 1.5 MB. After shaping, right? 42000, 784. That is the shape of the X. Okay, the array shape is 42000, 784. Since the maximum iteration is 1000, it will take some time to get trained. Let's keep on running. So let's wait for some time. LBFGS is an optimizer for the logistic regression. Random state is 0. Maximum iteration is set to 1000. Now it has finished now. Next we have printed the Y test values. That is the values which is in the data set itself. Testing data. This is the predictions which I have printed as well. Then this is the classification report for the Y test and the prediction. Okay. There are precision, recall, F1 score, support. 0 is a label, classification label. 1 2 till 9 it is there. Is the position value for 0, recall value for 0, F1 score, and so on for the corresponding label 0 1 2 3 till 9. This is the macro average weight average. Okay, 0.92. The model accuracy 0.92. That is print ACC, that is accuracy of the model for the test data alone. Okay, this is more logistic regression model for multi-class classification. Right, today we saw how to build a logistic regression model for a multi-class classification, how to train it, how to spread the data, and how to test it accordingly, accuracy check, classification, etc. accordingly. Right, this is multi-class classification using logistic regression. In next video we will see next ML algorithm and we can check it out. Until then, it's me Vignesh. Thank you.